making something out of weird stuff. The negative wire is this one that goes circular around and then comes out there. And if you look real carefully over here, you see it smoking. So is it smoking? Seems like smoking, right? That's hydrogen. Enzyme, urine, and hydrogen. Is it hydrogen in there? Well, that's part of water. H2O to the H. It separates the H using positive and negative. Two wires coming out of my charger cord. So what does it do? Well, it makes all this frothy stuff. It's subtracting that which is solid to become gas. It's creating gas out of the liquid which has the gas in it. That's my theory, okay? I don't know how much theory that would use. When it's finished, it comes out like this. It's a little light catch. Okay, so basically it's a blowy substance. So I'm about to open it. Show you what it looks like. It's got copper in it. So that's the blue stuff. This one is a very milky substance. Okay, so what do? We've gone from this stage to this stage. It's mildly green. And then to kill the germs, hot water. Fill it to the top, watch how you're going to fill the jar. Turn off the hot water before the jar cracks. And bring it up. Okay, so in the light, I see that the jar, by the port, on this is very milky. Milky. Milky, I can get a good angle of that. Milky, anyway. So let's use the calcium, which is usually recycled. Or that other stuff with the acid in it. Uric acid. The other thing is, you can, if you want to, you can make the milky stuff. Right. So what's this over here? Well, if you look close, it's very, very gluggy and it's really hard to hold this still and see. Focus, come on, focus. Chunkies. Okay, so I had some potting mix. I mixed it with sodium hydroxide and I diluted and stirred like crazy. And then I put half a pack of the salt, iodized salt, in with it. And before you know it, it became this very thick woolly Ormus. There was a lot of Ormus in that. See, when they were too busy focusing on the potassium to put into the salt, they failed to notice that they didn't take out the nutrient minerals. So, here we have a lot of glugging going on. And the brown stuff is the baking soda. So, diluted, it becomes baking soda. But it's a bit more diluted now. It's the third wash. And there's nothing but just brown Ormus all the way. You see the hydroxide or caustic soda, same thing. They break down and bring all the cleansing effect and the clumping effect of all the good stuff. And the washing gets rid of all the corrupt stuff. And if you wash it out, you end up with nothing but pure, gorgeous brown Ormus. Amazing, eh? Brown Ormus. Ormus made from soil. Beautiful, rich, nourishing potting mix with all kinds of beautiful elements, minerals and nutrients. I have put that through boiling water for a wash. You just see me do it with the other one to kill off all the nutric acid, the uric acid. I have electrically neutralized all the germs. I have brought all the substance from dissolved into solid solution, and then I have rinsed it to get rid of all the acids, and it has come down to this form. Now the next wash, it will become a white Ormusy effect. When you take it, you'll swear you're on cloud 9. It's like the milk of a male is the Horus. You know, they said a god Horus. Well, man has other stuff besides calcium hidden in there. Okay, so it's not sperm or semen or any of that. It's just straight up waste material washed out clean to see what remained, using electrolytics to draw it out of solution. Pull out everything out of solution. Wash away the contaminants and the mercuries and things that float. Anything poisonous or acidic. We're heading towards the alkali scale, where we go for the Ormus that is alkali related. Yes, you can go for acidic and go towards metals, but I'm going in the other direction. I just happen to have drawn a ton of it out of simple soil. So this is going to compact down. This jar, I don't know how big it is, here's my hand. It's 1.5 hands. So that's what, a foot and a half. Scary toenails. Here's my positive and negative heads. So in an unearthed environment, this plastic cup serves as a non-earthing wire. Does not earth. So there's earth on the washing machine. It's unearthed. Negative is the emitter, that's what the cream is. I don't tell you that in science, eh? Oh yes, by the way, unearthed arc system produces the output and the bubbling effect of hydrogen emission. And scientists will tell you mix this and this to make a chemical reaction. So I learned this idea from a video on YouTube, how to make sodium hydroxide in a closed up bottle and with salt and water. But I thought, hey, what else could you electrolyze? So there you go. The smoke is coming out of the wire up the top. It's hard to see, but it's there. And it's happening. Yeah, it's a bit funky smell, but in my 40s, I've decided to follow down the path of a man who was killed for this concept. I don't want to be killed, I just want to see what he was experimenting with. So they've had some clouding people who did not use the electric circuit. So this is what I'm doing, electric circuiting it. I am deriving that which is nothing and bringing it into solution. I'll come back in a little while and it will be a greeny colour like that was. Of course some of the colloidal copper will come out of the wires, and the negative wire will still be there, but the positive wire will erode. So this little one down here, a little ball, it's making a little blue puddle right where it is. This little metal nut at the end of it's actually just a ball up of copper wire. It's really erode because it degrades, crushes away into nothingness.